titles and thumbnails that skyrocket click-through rates. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create titles and thumbnails that skyrocket your click-through rates on YouTube. These are the first things people see. If they're not irresistible, your videos won't get clicked no matter how good the content is. So let's get straight into it. First up, let's talk titles. The key to a high CTR title is creating curiosity without being clickbait. You want people to feel like they have to know more. One great formula is to start with a problem and tease the solution. For example, instead of saying how to grow on YouTube, say this one trick got me 10K subs in 30 days. Add urgency or surprise when you can. Words like shocking, insane, finally, or in 24 hours work wonders. And keep it under 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off on mobile. Now let's move to thumbnails. You can use Canva to make them, which is free. Start with a bold face or reaction, add big readable text with a contrasting color, and make sure the design still looks good at a small size. Most beginners add way too much detail. Keep it simple. One image, one idea. If your title says this app pays you daily, then show a phone with cash and a shocked face. That's it. And if you really want to boost CTR, match your title and thumbnail so they work as a team. Think of them as a hook-punch combo. And that's it. These strategies might help you out. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more creator growth tips. Thanks for watching.